So I finished this blanket and I really think it needs a border. So I'm gonna add a border to it. You wanna start on a corner, any corner you want, but you wanna just find the braid because you're gonna be going in between each of these braid loops. So I'm gonna find my corner right here. Gonna make a loop and pull this through. Then I'm gonna have my working yarn and I'm gonna come in between this loop right here to make a second loop. So now I have 2 loops. I'm gonna bring the working yarn over the top and through both of those loops. Then I'm gonna bring the working yarn to the next loop and I'm gonna pull it through the next braid. Now I have 2 loops again. Bring my working yarn over the top and through both of those loops. Bring the working yarn through the braid to make 2 loops and then bring that working yarn through both of them. And that's going to create a beautiful border on this to really make this blanket pop. That's gonna look so nice. And you just continue on around the whole blanket. And that's how you add a border. To finish off the border, I'm gonna do these last few knits. Always making sure you're getting both sides of the braid. This is my working yarn from where I started. Holy cow. Now I'm going to do one more knit into here to kind of overlap the corners. Have my 2 loops. I'll do a knit stitch. And then I'm just going to cut this, feed it through the loop to form a knot. and then I'll burn those ends in on both sides. Might have to move it around a bit so it forms the corner that you want. Then I'll just burn off the ends and tie them into the back. I'm gonna just flip it over to the other side. I'm just gonna find a nice place that I wanna tuck these burned ends in. So I'll probably go right in here in the corner and maybe feed this one through over here and burn it in here. Just gonna tuck it in like that. And this other one, I'm gonna go right in here. Just like that.